In many markets, the Avant still is the customer's favorite. The technical basis of the A6 Avant e-tron concept is once again the new platform that our engineers designed exclusively for electric mobility. PPE, which stands for Premium Platform Electric. PPE means premium technology for the drivetrain, suspension and electronics, and the highest quality for the core segments within the Audi product portfolio. There will be models in the B, C and D segments based on the PPE. Therefore, the PPE will be the technical backbone for our new electric fleet, from mid-size to the luxury class. Charging will only be a matter of minutes due to an excellent charging power of up to 270 kilowatts. We rely on 800-volt charging technology. This allows the A6 e-tron to recharge its battery from 5% to 80% in less than 25 minutes at a fast charging station. The Audi A6 e-tron can charge its battery for a range of about 300 kilometers in just 10 minutes. Remember the famous slogan from 1995, "Schöne Kombis heißen Avant," or in English, "Beautiful station wagons are called Avant." It still is true, maybe now more than ever. It combines all the advantages of this body style and it translates them into the era of electric mobility. In 2021, we showed the Audi A6 e-tron concept as the first member of our new electric family. With this second concept car on the same platform, we are giving you an impression how a future electric A6 Avant may look like. Avant, this body style has been one of the pillars for the success of Audi for decades. What you see here is really close to what our customers will be able to order in the near future.